Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I just want to share with you a few items. Okay, a lot of items that I went overboard on when Aliexpress had their huge sale last month, I think it was. I'm not sure now. I just want to share a few things with you, and some of these I bought with the intention of going to giveaways. You know, a few people won my purple pickle giveaway. Yeah, purple pickles. It was a saying that you had to say to win that. They're just little things, and I don't think I paid very much for anything. Most things were under $1 or at $1. Some things were more, and I'll just go through them real quick. I've got 2 packs of decals. I wore some of these for my birthday on my right hand. And they have gold, silver, I think there's white and black. And some people have already received some of these in my giveaway. I just figured this would be something that I can use, you could use. It's easy to ship. You know, a few of these to everybody. I believe both packs are the same. And it's not expensive or anything. I found these cool little things. I was planning on wearing these for my birthday, but I wanted to show them to you first. I mean, they didn't cost very much. But look at that. Gorgeous. So you can see the size of what it would look like. Very gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I bought these things. I thought they were going to be bigger. I do have some that were bigger from Wish. But those things, I tell you, for crimping your nails, these probably are adequate for me. I had bought some bigger ones. I had to tell Wish they need to take that off because they were breaking and popping in my face. I can't remember everything was 100% from Aliexpress because I'm also a Wish shopper. I believe these were from Wish. And these ones I purchased 2 specifically put in a giveaway. They look so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Let's see, what else did I get? More charms. I purchased some of these things. And my friend's already used some. She had them in a wheel. Look at these. They're like little glass shards. I'm not sure. They're just so cool. I figured one of my videos I'll encapsulate it. I'm not sure. There's just so much in this pot. About green and gold. Maybe next year, St. Patrick's Day. I don't know. I had bought these for my birthday, but well, they're a little bit big for me to wear, but they're gorgeous. Maybe I'll wear them for just one day or something. I don't know. I bought these because another friend has been using them. Oh, glitter kind of exploded in my little box here. One of my friends has been using these a lot, so I figured I'll give them a shot. And of course, every nail lady needs some rings. I've got some chains that I was playing with the other day. I could put a couple of these in a giveaway as well. Who knows? Who knows? I've got some glitter. I don't even remember ordering this. Maybe it was a free gift. No idea anymore. It's been so long. And these are definitely, I can't wear more than 2 or 4 at a time. So some of these will be going into one of my little nail art pack giveaways. Got these for next year. I just got to show you. Oh, they gave me 2 packs. Glitter everywhere. They're little like snowflakes. I don't want to open them yet because, see, here's the green thing. I need to put it back in there. Boy, that one glitter is everywhere. These are like 2 different kinds of snowflakes. I think they're 2 different. Okay, we're opening it up. Out the trusty scissors. Look at this. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at that. It's so gorgeous. Just about the right size for my thumb. I like that. And something like this I could put in a giveaway or give to friends. There's so many. Why not, huh? And let's see. I've got some of these chains. I just saw it. They were cheap enough. I saw it. I said these would be cool. It's gonna take me figuring out how to use them. But hey, they would even look good in a nail photo, wouldn't they? Oh yeah, I've got some rainbow ones. Thought that was cool. I'm telling you, don't tell that I spent money on this stuff. And I accidentally ordered more chains. Dear me, I can't remember what I bought half the time. And of course, more blings, because why not? They're beautiful. Someone could win these. I could use them. I mean, I ordered 2 of each color apparently. And I don't even use the 2 larger sizes. I've actually cut one off already. I don't usually use these, so definitely. There were a whole bunch of these, but I had those on for my birthday as well. They didn't cost very much. And I'm not sure where this one came from. It could have been Wish, Aliexpress, eBay, maybe. I haven't bought off of eBay in a while. And then I got, let's see. Then a nail stand that I've been seeing a lot of you use. It's bigger. I'll be able to hold it a little bit better. Bigger adhesion for doohickeys on or nails on top. And it comes with a whole big old bag. This was like $3 before the sale. I put it in my cart hoping that the sale would, and it did. I can't really remember. This is one of my more expensive items, but it's a permanent item. I won't be using it and getting rid of it. I found these. I accidentally bought one off of Wish, one off of Aliexpress. They were under $1. They both came in with the tips broke on them, but they were easily moldable right back into a good tip. I did tell the sellers that just putting it in an envelope like this, you need to put a little plastic on there if you want the tips to be fine. But for under $1, can't really complain on that. I just let them know that, you know, in case you get questions. And then I went, and since y'all see me playing with caviar beads, you know, sometimes it's a struggle to get them out of the little pots like this. I have some in a container like this. I'm sure these were off of Wish or Aliexpress. I don't know anymore. I really couldn't tell you. I got the caviar bead pins. I wasn't sure about what size was which, so I believe I ordered them all in different sizes. Let me clear this out. It's like these trays that I use. Someone had asked me for a link, and I went and found it, and I found there was an updated one, and these are like 20 for $1 on Wish.com, the Wish app. And I'm just gonna see how these pins work. It kind of threw me when it came in. I was like, okay, how do I get the beads out of this thing? Crazy me. There's a lid on it. And what I would assume, let's see if it works. I did this earlier. One bead at a time pops out. So far, one bead at a time. Now the thing is, it's still gonna be a struggle to get them back on your nails, but I went and popped them back into the pen as well. So I'm assuming you could refill these with your own beads once you use them up, just like so. So I've got them in 3 of the standard colors: silver, gunmetal, and rose gold. I need to have a gold and a white too, you know. I used clear on these. I should have had white. I should have used these silvers. So everyone, thank you for being here today and sharing with my AliExpress haul. I really do appreciate it. Oh, here's one more thing. I got one of the little pallets. It was inexpensive. Well, thank you for being here with me today. I really do appreciate everyone that watches and comments on my videos. I really, really do. Thank you, everyone. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.